Okay, I actually want to link this picture to the website. So let's go back to Google Maps and choose the link icon up here on the upper left. And it'll actually highlight the URL that you need. So I'm going to do Control C or right click and choose copy. Go back to PowerPoint, right click on the picture and choose hyperlink and choose existing file or web page, and under address click that window next to address and do Control V or right click and choose paste. Press OK. And actually, just real quick, I'm going to maximize my PowerPoint window just so things look a little nicer. And now choose to play the slideshow. So press F5.
This is Jeopardy!
And of course, I chose F5, not Shift F5. Let me actually minimize my PowerPoint, maximize it, just to clear a little bit of the weird window debris that was there. And do Shift, when I'm at my picture, do Shift F5 and click the page, click the picture, and when you click it, it'll actually bring up the web browser with the map in there. Okay, close that, come back to PowerPoint, click, and go to the end of the slideshow. Okay, now I want to make a new slide. Let's do the web for 200. Okay, go back to the web for 100 and press Control M. It'll make a new slide. And up at the top for the title, we'll do the web for $200. Okay, and we now want to insert a video, insert a media clip. So first let's find the clip that we want. We'll go back online and we'll go to YouTube, okay, youtube.com. And I'll zoom in a little bit just so you can kind of see what I'm entering. Manhattan College Commons. Okay, I'll zoom out a little bit. Okay, click on that video, and we'll actually pause it. Click on the video to pause. Scroll down just a little bit, and under the title of the video, underneath the video, you'll see Share. Click Share, and then click Embed. And underneath the window that pops up, you're going to have a few choices. The bottom choice is Use Old Embed Code. That's what we want to click. Then click back on the white box with all the HTML code, and it'll automatically highlight it for you, and do Control C, or you can right click and choose copy. We'll go back to PowerPoint. Okay, now we want to insert the video into the slideshow. Before we do that, we'll actually click on the outer part of the box, the click to add text box, and press delete, and go to Insert, Video Arrow button, just the video arrow button, and choose Video from Website. In the box that comes up, do Control V, and that will paste all that code in there. Press Insert, click Insert, and there is your video. We'll actually click and drag, and we'll make it a little larger. And remember how to align it. Okay, go to Home, Arrange, Align, and we can align it to the center, and you can actually even align it middle, so it's exactly in the center of the entire slideshow. Okay, and let's actually view this thing. Remember, Shift F5 to start the slideshow. And there's your video. You can actually hover over it. and it will actually start the video. Okay, and it's just like YouTube. You can just hover over it and press pause, but you're playing the video within the slideshow. And while we're at it, might as well just check out the home button. Boom, we're back at the game board. Oh, and we forgot to hyperlink. So let's do that now. We'll press escape. We'll go back to the game board. And do you remember now how to hyperlink? You highlight the $200. You right click. You choose hyperlink. Place in this document the web for $200. Press OK. And remember, anytime you do a hyperlink, it's a good idea to start the slideshow from that slide. So Shift F5, and we can click 200, and we're at the slide we wanted to be at. Okay, I'll press Escape and get back to PowerPoint. Okay, let's do sound for 200. So we'll go back to our last slide that we made. And remember, Control M to make a brand new slide. And we're going to title the slide Sound for $200. And we will remember, you can always add text in this box. So I mean, I suppose we could do that now. This New York City Police Commissioner is the namesake of the Manhattan College Student Commons, scheduled to open in 2014. And you can actually click that bottom handle and drag up, because that's how big we want our text to be. And let me insert a sound. So insert audio arrow, audio from file, click desktop, scroll down, well, click in the main window and scroll down, and you'll find Jeopardy. Double click on Jeopardy and give PowerPoint a little time. Okay, yeah, and when you insert that sound, it's going to take quite a bit of time. It might even take a few minutes depending on how fast your computer is, but through the magic of video, I already have it here because I waited a few minutes for it to insert into PowerPoint, and you can actually, just like our old sound, you can actually press play to see what it sounds like. Alright, and it's actually sounding pretty good. And actually in this one I actually do want to only have it start when I click on it. So we'll do Shift F5 to do the show, and we can hover over it and give someone some time to think about the answer of the question. Alright, and let's check the home button. Oh, good. And we might as well link now sound for 200. We'll link one more time to the appropriate slide. So highlight, right click, and choose sound for 200. Press OK.